Hi, I'm Sharon and this is Sophie, and we're here today to show you our TurnAid. This is an electronically operated lateral turning system. As you can see, there are two bed rails attached to the bed and a top cotton sheet, and beneath that is a low friction bottom sheet which allows those sheets to smoothly turn over each other, reducing friction and shear. As you can see, when these side rails are up, Sophie has full view of both sides, so she doesn't feel encased in anything. This system can be operated either by an optional foot controller, which then allows caregivers to be hands-free to assist with their client, or can be operated by an easy-to-use hand controller, which can be fitted to either side of the bed, depending on what turn you're doing. Now, as I mentioned before, Sophie has full view, and when we're doing the turn, she actually still has view of where she's turning to. And I'll demonstrate this to you by operating it myself. So here you go, I'm using the foot controller. What I do, easily flick this rail down, and then I turn Sophie to the way I'm wanting her to turn. So there we go. So she's in position there. I can also move her more centrally in the bed. So if I wanted to access her from the other side, I can move her to that side, and then I don't have to strain myself. So then this rail flicks down and Sophie's in position. As you can see, I could easily operate that as one caregiver by myself, and I didn't need any manual hands-on moving for Sophie. This actually reduces the risk of injury to myself as the caregiver, but also to Sophie without needing all that hands-on manual handling. This also, we've found clients find it a more comfortable movement and a more comfortable turn. So this system can actually be fitted to most beds, and we have a range of sizes. So please give us a call today and we'll help reduce injuries to your clients and caregivers by using our TurnAid.